He's whack. Is there a nice mark on the side?
No. Well,
Really?
You hit the cone right here?
Yeah.
He whacked it
Like
too.
sideways, like
Yeah.
straight over it. I'll try not to screw it up. Screwed her up. I was trying to find I was looking at the steering wheel trying to figure out which one was the one to shift. I was like, I gotta grab third coming out of here, but it's like back. I'm like, no, it's over here. No, it's over there. I'm chasing it like. Like, yeah, I can't find it. We'll start over here. Haha, got it.
There you go.
Like too much throttle there. Darn, I got too much on it. Nope. All right. I was like, maybe I could save it. Nope, not quite. I was trying something new there. Got it wrong. I got a little too much on it. Yeah, well. Alright, let's just finish it off. We'll reset. Got it. Hit the camera. Got wild. Oh shit. There we go. All right.
Good save.
Too much of that one.
Good save.
Weight change.
Yep.
Too much there. Woo! Too much on that one.
That was good.
So close.
So close.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
Yes, sir.
There we got her.
Woo!
There we got her.
Bro, you slide this thing like it's made to slide. It's so smooth.
It works.